Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question for an expression. The question is, if 3 to power x is equals to 5 to power y equal to 225, then find the value of xy over x plus y. In order to solve this question, first we will compare both this value with this 225. So first we will compare this 3 is to power x with this 225. Now we will multiply 1 over x from the both sides of the equation in power, and this x and this 1 over x will cancel out and we will get 3 is equals to 225 is to power 1 over x. Now we will multiply this 5 is to power y with this 225. And now we will multiply 1 over y from the both sides of the equation in power, and this y and this 1 over y will cancel out and we will get 5 is equals to 225 is to power 1 over y. Now we will multiply these two expressions. Left word will multiply with this left value and this right word value will multiply with this right value, and we will get this 3 into 5 is same in multiplication, but as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal then power will add together, or if the bases are same then the power will be add together. So here we apply the basic rule of algebra. When we multiply these two values then these bases are the same, and we will add this power will add together and we will get 225 is to power 1 over x plus 1 over y. Now 3 into 5 is equal to 15, and we will simplify this expression as, after taking LCM, x plus y over xy. Now we know very well 225 is the square of 15. So we will write this 225 in 15 square, and this x plus y over xy is same as before. Now we know very well from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal then their power are also equal. So here we apply this rule and we will get 2 into xy over xy equal to 1, and now this 2 will go in division with this 1 in the next step. But from the question we can see that our targeted value is xy over x plus y, not x plus y over xy. So in order to get our target, we will reciprocal the values from the both sides of the equation, and we will get xy over x plus y from the left side, and when we reciprocal this value we will get 2. So the value is xy over x plus y is 2 for this expression. I hope this value is this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.